Hello everyone, welcome to our basic level Microsoft Word course. Whether you are new to Word or looking to enhance your document creation skills, you are in the right place. This course will cover the essential features and functions of Microsoft Word, ensuring you can create professional and effective documents. Let's take a look at what you will learn from this class. Introduction to Word, Word interface, entering and editing text, inserting and formatting tables, inserting and formatting images, create an ID card, design in Microsoft Word, flare design in Microsoft Word, make timetable for school in Microsoft Word. The last one is templates. After completing this course, you will be able to navigate and use the Word interface efficiently. Enter, edit, and format text in Word document. Insert and format tables and images effectively. Create professional designs like ID cards and flares. Develop structured documents such as school timetable. Utilize templates to streamline the document creation process. This is a project-based class. You will have class projects to apply what you have learned. You will have supporting resources in this class to make learning easier. During learning, if you face any issues or have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm always here to help you. So let's start learning Microsoft Word together.